Tired of looking like a potato during your video calls and streams? Well, today I'm going to show you how to unlock the incredible potential of your Nikon Z30 by turning it into a high-quality webcam. Let's jump right into it. First, head over to Nikon's website and download the webcam utility software. Make sure you choose the version compatible with your operating system. Whether it's Windows or macOS, you can usually find the link in the description below. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to get the webcam utility properly installed on your computer. It's usually a very straightforward process. Now, grab a USB cable and connect your Nikon Z30 to your computer. Make sure the camera is powered on. Next, turn on your Z30 and go into video mode. Open up your video conferencing or streaming application like Zoom, Skype, or OBS Studio. Then, go to the settings menu and locate the video or camera options. From the list of available cameras, select Nikon Webcam Utility. You should immediately see your Z30's live video feed appear in the preview window. And that's it. You are now using your Nikon Z30 as a webcam. Enjoy the enhanced image quality and impress everyone on your next video call. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more content like this, and don't forget to share it with your friends who could also benefit from using their Nikon Z30 as a webcam. Thanks for watching.